Hi, welcome to Benhol AI mining platform. Now we're going to talk about a new mining platform in this video. But we're going to first also tell you how you can get into the mining platform itself. But it requires you to first of all install Safepal wallet. I'm going to show you how Safepal wallet works. Okay, now we're going to Play Store and we type in Safepal. Okay, now Safepal wallet has already been installed on my phone, so I'm just going to show you the dashboard layout. Now, Safepal, it's actually a crypto wallet that is associated with Binance and other crypto exchanges, and it's quite secure. So it's also a SafePal hardware wallet, but for now we're going to use a software wallet. Now, SafePal can work on both Android phones and iOS phones. So let's look at it. Now, make sure you secure your SafePal 12 phrases. Okay, try not to expose to anyone. Make sure it's secure with you, just you. Now, this is the layout of my SafePal. As you can see, it has different crypto assets here. Now, by default, you have the Bitcoin, the BNB, and Ethereum, but I had to add the USDT and the Tron on my own. Okay, you can come to manage coins. Now you can see these are the ones that have already been added. Okay, now you could create your own. You could create your own there. Let's say we want to add AVX. Okay, AVAX. Okay, you come here, click on that. Now it's active. Click on add coin. Voila. Now AVAX is added. AVAX added already. So that's how I added the USDT and the Tron. Okay. So once you're done installing SafePal, you've added your token. Now for this particular website or platform, we use only USDT and Tron. Okay, the Tron is for the gas fee, while the USDT is your I would say it's your investment, or you call it your capital. Okay, so now the minimum capital for this platform is 10 USDT, but I started with 10, so and it grew up to 23. This it took me roughly a month. So we're going to look at this together. Now USDT is 10 the minimum in this case. Now once you've you've actually downloaded SafePal and installed it and added it, then next thing to do is to fund your account. Okay, 10 USDT if you want, or beyond that, if you can have $100, it's up to you. But 10 USDT for those who are not sure. Now it must be a Tron TRC20 wallet. Okay, that's very important. Now, what next? We're going to show you how to connect to the main mining pool for the AI mining. The main mining pool. Okay.